Yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video of the Pull Up King. And we have a, what is this, a 2016 Ford Fiesta. I believe 1.6. We're gonna do the brake pads on it. Brake pads and rotors. Brake pads are low, and this has no fluid in it. The reason why it has no fluid reservoir is because the pads are low. So I'm gonna knock that out. I'm gonna show you how we gonna get that done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
All right, we got a 13, no, that's a 12 mil bolt holding that caliper in. I'll swing that off. Pegs, take those off. Off the old hardware, we're gonna hit the two mountain bracket bolts on the back that hold the bracket on the caliper. And put a 15 on those two bolts. We're gonna go ahead and put on our rotor. Spray the new one down with brake cleaner. Do both sides. We got them two bolts in, they're tight. New hardware, go ahead and install that. Get your new pads. And you wanna put your put that grease on the back side of the pads. Alright, you want to lubricate your guide pins, make sure you do that. Don't want to get it stuck. Slide. Get your C-clamp, push that piston back. And just like that, we got that side done. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. That's it for the driver's side. Hey man, it's gonna be it. Over and out. Next time. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hey man, until next video, the Pull Up King.